Once upon a time, in a peaceful village, there lived a cheerful girl named Ella. She was full of life and loved playing in the fields. But there was one thing that troubled her. Ella found it hard to stay positive. When things didn't go her way, she would get upset easily when it rained on a sunny day or when her toys broke. Seeing this, her parents decided to teach her the power of staying positive, just like they had learned from their own parents. One morning, Ella's father took her to the garden and handed her a small apple seed. "Ella," he said, "we are going to plant this apple seed together. But remember, it will not grow into a tree overnight. It takes time, care, and patience. Just like this tree, happiness and positivity grow inside us when we nurture them." Ella looked at the tiny seed and asked, "But how can I help it grow?" Her mother smiled and said, "Every day you'll water it. Give it sunlight and, most importantly, talk to it kindly. Tell it good things. It's like how we talk to ourselves. If you fill your mind with good thoughts, your heart will grow happy and strong." Ella was curious. She carefully planted the seed in the soil, covering it gently with dirt. Each day she woke up excited to water her little tree. She would stand by it, telling it stories and singing songs. Even when the sun hid behind the clouds or it rained, Ella stayed positive, knowing that the tree needed all kinds of weather to grow. Days turned into weeks and weeks into months. Slowly, a small sprout appeared. Then leaves began to grow. Ella's excitement grew with each new leaf. She began to notice something special happening to her too. Whenever something didn't go her way, instead of getting upset, she thought about her apple tree and how it stayed strong through the rain and wind. One day, her father noticed her smiling after a rainy day. "Ella, you've grown just like our tree," he said. "You've learned to stay positive even when things are tough." The years passed, and the little tree grew tall and strong, with beautiful apples hanging from its branches. Ella became known in the village for her bright smile and kind heart. People often asked her how she stayed so cheerful, and she would always reply, "I learned from my parents and my apple tree. You have to water your heart with good thoughts no matter what happens." And so Ella's apple tree became a symbol of hope and positivity in the village, reminding everyone that with time, patience, and a positive mind, we can grow strong and happy, just like a beautiful apple tree. The end.